Many teams use BDD as a tester tool. This completely defeats the purpose of implementing BDD. In this video, you will see why using BDD as a tester tool loses all of the benefit of rolling BDD, and ends up with the team spending more time on development and having an impact on the quality of the product. Let's take the process of the traditional development cycle. The product owner, or the BA, defines the user story. The developer then takes the user story and develops the code. Then the tester, in the worst case, does some manual testing or automation testing. When the tester raises a bug, the developer and tester would have a discussion. At this point, in the worst case, the developer and tester goes with the implementation based on whoever wins that discussion. Alternatively, in the best case, they would clarify the requirement with the product owner or tester. However, by this point, they would have lost lots of time, and they may even have to redo the entire piece of work. So, the best way to resolve this issue is to get all the resources, mainly the three amigos, together, and any other team members who are critical for implementing that user story to collaborate and to derive scenarios, remove ambiguities in the requirements, keep all team members on the same page, and avoid bugs. The quality of your product delivery improves drastically when you have a strong collaboration process. It also improves your delivery speed, as your team knows exactly what they need to implement before starting development or testing. So, after collaboration and deriving the scenario, can the tester be held solely responsible for automating and testing the scenarios every time the developer implements code? Or in other words, does the automated scenario sit solely with the tester to run it? By making the automation scenarios solely the tester's responsibility to run, the whole BDD process becomes nothing but a tester tool. Yes, the collaboration happens, but when only the tester runs the automated scenarios, you'll find quite a lot of gaps in your development process. Let's take the process of a team adhering to the collaboration, but the tester is responsible for running the script whenever the developer implements or changes something in the code. When BDD is used properly, i.e. all the members in the team, the tester automates the scenario and the developer implements the solution for each scenario that is agreed up front. After implementing the solution, the developer should always run the scenarios to make sure the implementation works as agreed. Only when the scenario is successfully run, the developer should push the changes to master branch. If the code is pushed to master without running all the scenarios, then the buggy code might go to master branch and other developers would start applying their changes on top of this, adding even more mess to the already buggy code. This gets messy very quickly, which would be very difficult to untangle. Even if you have a process in which the developer pushes the code to a branch, which is not the main branch, so the tester can run the script against it, the tester would be extremely busy just running that scenario. As a whole, the team would waste incredible amounts of time as the developer would push the code and wait for the tester to run it. The tester might take a while to run the scenarios as they may be busy checking other changes. The process of the developer not running scenarios also makes the whole application quality the tester's responsibility, whereas the application's quality is the team's responsibility, not just the tester's. By getting the testers to run the BDD scenarios for the developers, you're not only overburdening the tester, but also wasting all the valuable time they should be spending to find issues in the application. By getting testers to run the BDDs for each and every change, you're not only reducing the tester's role and reducing the quality of your software, but also not empowering the testers to improve the quality of the software. BDD is all about collaboration, and empowering teams to take complete responsibility from collaboration to running and maintaining the derived scenarios. After all, the application quality can only be improved when all team members participate.